Then we have the Gappy Sparse brow. This is where you already have the brow. The only thing is you just need to understand where to fill it in. This is why I like to start off with the concealer. And the concealer is basically mapping out where I'm going to be filling in the brows. So you don't have to be even perfect. We just want to see where are we going to add in the hair. Look at that. Already you can see the shape of the brow. Can you see that? You just take your finger, blend at the top, just like that. See, you don't even have to be perfect about it. At the bottom, just like that. Okay. As you can see, you're already starting to see the shape, right? Can you see that? And now I'm going to take my brow fixer, brush the hair up to the side. Okay, because now I'm going to know where I need to fill in the hair, right in there. I'm going to take my brow gel. If you don't want to use the brow, the 24-hour brow pen, I'm going to come in, fill in right in this bold spot, we call it, okay, right at the top, right in here, right in here, right. As you can see, I'm just brushing over the hair, and wherever I don't have hair is where I'm actually pressing it in a little bit harder so that I can add in the darkness. Okay, see that? Look how natural, right? So you can either rock the brow just like this. Okay, you can always come in there. You can always use the brow pen over. First of all, I'm going to quickly brush over. Again, you can rock it like this. I like to take my brow pen. This is if you want to. And just come in and fill it in. Just like that. Just kind of gives it that perfection. See? There you go.